My name's Philip Statler. Currently, I work at JBuick GMC. I've been in the business about 8 years now, and I'm just kind of looking to fill in the gaps in my knowledge base so I can get certified. Most of the takeaways has been the book side of it, the science side. I came in already knowing how to replace brakes, but this is more of an in-depth look at the science behind it, what's involved, how it works, things like that. Jim's been great. He'll stop and answer any questions, take as much time as you need if you have to. He's really made sure that everybody's understood what they were looking at before moving on. So, luckily enough, we've had a small class, so it's easier to, stay in depth with one person. It helps a lot with being able to diagnose a car, knowing what symptoms pertain to what problems. It's going to make me faster with diagnostics. Well, obviously Emil and everybody at the J Auto Group, to finally take the steps and help me get on my path to certifications.